Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wondered how to get a clean finish on your sleeveless armholes? It's easier than you think. Let's transform this raw fraying armhole. First, measure the total length of your armhole. My measurement is 47 centimeters. Also note your front and back armhole length. My front is 24 and back is 23. Next, make some stripes 1.25 inches wide using your remaining fabric. Now join the two stripes to make one long strap. Place them right sides together and sew them diagonally. And trim off the excess fabric from your seam. Okay, then mark that 47 centimeters, 24 centimeters front, 23 centimeters back using a chalk. And join the ends right sides together to form a loop. And this is how it looks. Trim off the excess fabric. Now pin the strap to the armhole right sides together. And we are going to sew all the way around. And this is how it looks. Then top stitch along this seam to secure it. Finally, fold the strap inwards like this. Pin it. And then top stitch. And just like that, you have a clean finished armhole. I hope you found this video useful. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Happy sewing!